tell you to sit on my face. Don't just put 10% of your body weight down. Fucking sit on it. Sit like a chair. Don't ask if I can.
I'm the fucking man.
Bye, little monkey, jumping on the bed.
What? Okay.
Mama got a doctor. Doctor said.
What you say?
No more monkey.
You know just how to keep me up. You know it, better believe it. Is it hot in here or is it just me? Oh yeah, you're
Kung makahanap na lalaking kagaya ng dami, meron yata akong kilalang seryoso pero exciting. Oh, sino naman yun? Si Miguel! Si Miguel? Si Miguel Quirino? Asin si Miguel Quirino? Yung mayaman na matalino na mayabang na...
hindi naman inaakalang ikaw pala ang makakasama ang